back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Before you all leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you did in fact enjoy this video. So today's gonna be another haircut video. I'm gonna be cutting my husband's hair this time, and to do that I'm using my wall clippers and my Andes T outline trimmers. So now that we have that out the way, let's go ahead and get this video started. I don't know what I was thinking with that wide tooth comb, trying to run that over his hair. I didn't do anything for either of us, so I just went in with the smaller tooth comb just to go ahead and get his hair lifted off his scalp so that I can get a more even cut going. So here I'm going in with my Andes T outliners to go ahead and start this haircut off. The first step is to go ahead and bald out the bottom. Well, the first step is whatever you want to make your first step, but my first step is going and balding out the bottom and getting all that hair out the way. Alright, now I'm going in with the 2-guard completely open, and at this point I'm just debulking the top portion of his hair just to make it a little easier to blend so I can see what I'm working with. So that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm going in with the 1-guard completely open, and I'm scooping out. If you guys saw the other haircut video that I did on my brother-in-law, I told you guys that the reason why I scoop out is so that I'm not creating a harsh guideline. So I'm doing that, and I'm combing as I go just to make sure I can see the progress that I made as far as how his hair is laying after I cut it. Alright, now I'm going in with the 1-guard completely closed. Again, I'm still combing as I go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I have on the 2-guard. This time it is completely closed, and I'm just attacking that top line, trying to get it out as much as possible. And this is just the first step to getting that line out. And now I have on the 1-guard with the lever completely open, and again I'm attacking that top line. This time I'm just going with the grain just to make sure, I'm not making any harsh, mistakes. I don't want to blend. I don't want to create another guideline, so I'm pretty much just attacking that line, and as you can see, it's coming out pretty nicely. So now I'm going in with no guard with the lever open, so this is going to be a half, a 0.5, however you want to say it, and I'm just going and I'm trying to get that bottom line out, but this is just the first step to get it out, just to blend it in, with that one guard. So I'm pretty much just going up a little bit over the bottom line, and I'm blending into the 1-guard area that I did. And then here I'm going in with no guard with the lever completely closed, and I'm just attacking this bottom line even further. I am not blending, I'm not going over that bottom line because I don't want to, again, create another guideline. So I'm starting below that line, and then I'm blending up to the line to get that line out. So as you guys will see, I'll be opening the lever and closing it and opening it halfway just to get it so that it's blending real nicely into that 1-guard area that we did. Now I'm going back in with that 1-guard with the lever completely closed just to make sure it's all blended together quite nicely.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And now I'm working on the other side, and it's going to be the same exact steps that I did on the right side. It's going to be the same exact steps that I do on the left side. So I just start by going with the trimmers, and I'm taking out that bottom portion of his hair. I'm just balding out the bottom. And then I go with my wall clippers, and I'm going in and debulking with the 2 guard open. And then I'm going in with the 1 guard open, and I'm just going to go ahead and start the guideline process. And as you guys can see, I'm really going over his hair to make sure I'm cutting down to the same length. So I'm going in with different angles and everything, because you know your hair doesn't grow at the same, it doesn't grow out the same way throughout your whole head. So you have to attack the hairs at different angles to make sure that you're cutting the hair evenly. You're getting it down to that true level that you're wanting it to be cut down to. Yeah, I'm trying to make it so my like camera angles are a little better. I'm working on it, you guys. I try cutting with my left hand to get it right, but you know, I'm not really that I'm experienced cutting, but I'm not experienced cutting with both hands. I usually use my dominant hand. So I believe that's something that I want to work on for myself, especially if I'm going to be recording my haircuts now. I think that's something that I need to, you know, work on so that my videos come out a lot better. You guys can actually see what I'm doing. So I apologize that you guys cannot, in some of the clips you can't see what I'm doing, but I did show what I was doing on other portions of the head, so it's pretty much the same thing. I'm just blocking what I'm doing. So and you guys, I'm working on these angles, you guys. Like, I'm showing you guys the back of the head now. I'm doing the same exact steps, but I feel like I'm getting somewhere, you know, like I'm showing, you know, different angles. You know, the quality of the video, I believe, is the quality of my videos, I believe, are going up. So let me know below if you guys are, you know, enjoying this video, how it's coming out, because a lot of work came into doing this video, I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, or you know, like this video if you did enjoy it, or if you are enjoying it. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in, I'm attacking his hair, literally attacking it, like literally going in and, you know, making sure this cut is coming out to the best, you know, of my abilities, the best that I know how to cut. So I'm just making sure I'm getting all these guidelines out, all the lines. I don't like to see lines. My husband will tell you I don't like to see lines at all. So I make sure I'm attacking those lines to make sure there are no lines at all, that everything is running together very smoothly. As you guys can see, like, I'm really getting in there. Like, you see how close I'm standing to him? I'm really getting in there to make sure I get those lines out, y'all. There's nothing worse than, you know, having your work walk around, you know, meaning your client walk around and his haircut is messed up. Like, so I make sure I get in there. As you guys can see, it's coming out quite nicely.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, you guys. Look at who does he think he is winking at y'all? Anyways, I'm going in and I'm working on the beard now. You guys are getting everything today. So, I'm going in first and combing it out. And then I'm going in with the 2-guard closed. And I'm just cutting it. I'm just cutting it out. And now I'm going in with the no guard with the lever completely open. And now I'm going in with the lever closed with no guard. And as you guys can see, it's coming together. And then here's what it is looking like when I'm done blending. Now I'm working on the other side, doing the exact same thing. First starting off by combing it out. Now I'm going in with the 2-guard closed. Now I'm going in with the 1-guard with the lever completely open. Now I'm going in with that 1-guard and it's completely closed. You guys are catching the drift here of how this is going. Now I'm going with the no guard open. The lever's open now. And then I'm going in with the no guard with the lever completely closed. And this is what this side is looking like when I'm all done. And now I'm just going and taking down the rest of the beard with the 2-guard with the lever closed. And now I'm just going to start lining his beard up. So I start by the ears and I just go straight down with the line.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And then I'm going to work on the top of the beard just to make sure he's looking nice and put together. Then I'm just taking out the bottom, lining that up, and then I'm taking off those extra hairs that are growing down on the bottom of his neck, the front of his neck, whatever you want to call it. And then I just did the same thing to the other side. And then I'm lining the top of his beard up. And that's what that side is looking like when I'm all done. Now I'm gonna go in and line up the front of his beard, and then I'm gonna work on his mustache. Okay, so the mustache. So I start off by combing all the hairs down so they're all laying in the same position, and then I'm going and I'm just lining. I start at the bottom, and then I do the top on one side, and then I start at the bottom, and then I do the top on the other side, and then I work on the middle. And then that's what his mustache is looking like when it's all. Don't mind his face, y'all. I told him he can show facial expressions, but he just wanted to look dead to the world. So don't mind him. So now we're just working on the hairline. My husband is so crazy. And I just decided to leave these clips in because I thought they were funny. So, and I'm starting off by taking it down with the one guard with the lever open. He was having too much fun with this zoom in. Alright, so now I'm just going in with my Andis T outliners, the same trimmers I've been using throughout the whole video, and I'm just lining up the front of his hairline. And we're going to tie this haircut all together, you guys. And I decided to leave these clips in without speeding up, like this is in real time, so that you guys can see, you know, how much time I actually spend working on his hairline. Spend a great deal, a great amount of time. Hopefully this is something that interests you guys. If not, just let me know in the comment section below. But I thought it would be kind of cool for you guys to see how fast I actually move when I'm working on this hairline.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Going working on the other side, doing the exact same thing. I'm sorry that you guys can't see. Again, I'm trying to work on my camera angle so you guys can see, but it's just a task. But I'm literally doing the same thing to this side that I did to the other side, just working from the middle to the corner, and then I'm going to work on the vertical bars. Alright you guys, so we're coming down to the end of the video. I hope you all did enjoy it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy it as well. That really helps me a lot. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.